Okay. Oh, yeah, item will read soon. Let me see what is 1, 2, 3 and yes. What happened here? What is to be done? This is for admission.
Respondent has
Service is complete. So what about the counter affidavits and all that?
that were not filed, Your Honor. They were taking time.
Huh?
They were taking time for many.
They had taken time earlier also.
Yes.
Their affidavit is required. You had filed your amended cost title.
Yes.
Yes. What is this matter about?
The impugn order is in page 65, Your Honor.
Yes, we are appearing for Miss. I forgot your name. Miss. You are appearing for what? Which department?
No, Your Lordship, I am not appearing for this matter, Your Lordship.
Item number 1, you are not there. Who is there otherwise? GA Assam is not there. Bharat Scouts and Guides. Who appears?
A Samoa.
A Chomua. And the respond number 2, A Chomua only.
A Samoa.
And 4 also A Chomua.
Yes.
He's not there today, neither his juniors. He noticed to gaya hai lagta hai. Huh? Earlier, J. Colita appeared for respond number 4. Why is GA not there? We'll have to give adequate invitation. Why is GA not there?
I may allow to call someone.
Call someone. As per the last order, service is complete in respect of all the respondents.
Yes.
But none is there today. So what have you put to challenge?
That is the impugn order is in 65, Your Honor. Earlier, we were being terminated, and by this honorable court, that was reinstated.
Achha.
But
Then
thereafter, they did not allow us to join, so we have filed a contempt petition. So in contempt petition, they have come up with an order that they have complied with the order, but in the compliance order, they have made some amendment and by which they actually did not allow us to join. So it's in guise of that order, they deny us to join. So again, we have challenged that order, Your Honor. That is the case.
the order passed by them.
Yes, Your Honor.
Where is this order?
That
So you
is-
are appearing for in this matter?
Yes,
On behalf of?
On behalf of the respondents, Your Honor, so 2, 3, and
On
4.
behalf of Mr. H. Homua?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So what happened to him? His
Your Lordship, what has happened here, we haven't received instruction yet. We are waiting for it. If Your Lordship permits, can this matter be taken after some days? We haven't received.
you will file counter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are for 2, 3 and 4. Scouts and Guides,
Yes,
something. Yes. Okay. Let
They
them
are-
file an affidavit then.
Yes, but they are taking time repeatedly. They are taking time. Actually, they in the main case also they were being the representative.
What main case? This is the only case here?
Yes, yeah, the earlier case
Huh.
which was filed where we have filed a contempt petition. That case also they were the respondent. So, but they are now trying to evade the process by taking time.
See what learned counsel had said is that the contempt application was closed on basis of some of your instruction. But then after closure of that, you had not allowed them to join. Join in the what service?
That is, he's a caretaker here.
Acha, as caretakers.
Caretaker.
You did not allow them to join, and so they had to again come and challenge your some order. What is that order? Just show me that impugn
That is
order.
in page 65. Actually, they are trying to be reviewing the order of this honorable court. They are
65.
65, page 65, that is their order.
Acha.
By which they are claiming that they have complied with the order of this honorable court. But this order is in that order they are trying to override the court's order, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll see after they come with their counters.
Yeah.
Okay. So heard, Mr.
You Saikya.
U. Saikya, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr.
Y.N. Mohanto, Your Lordship.
Y.N. Mohanto, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Dr. A. Chomoa, learned counsel for respond number 2, 3, and 4. Mr. What did you say? Your name? Mr.
Y.N.
Y.N. Mohanto, learned counsel, praised that he may be allowed some time to get the proper instructions as well as to file the affidavit. Full stop. Prayer is allowed. List this matter. Earlier also you had taken time.
Yes, sir.
Enable them to get instructions.
Fixed date may be given.
Prayer is allowed. List this matter on May 20th, by which date the learned counsel appearing for the respondents would place the instructions and would file the affidavit, if any.
Your Honor, if it possible on 15th.
On 15th?
15th, because 20th I will not be.
15th is a Friday.
Then
Whether they'll be able to file the affidavit by 1 week.
Lordship,
Then
15th,
let it come on 22nd then, Friday.
Your
Tell me a date after 20.
Then it on 28th.
28.
Let it be on 28th.
28. Because they have also tried a lot.
yes, sir.
They got the order. Then they had to come with a contempt application. There also they did not get the relief, right? So 20, by which date the learned counsel would file their affidavit, of course, get the place the instructions or the affidavit, if any, without fail. Okay?
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Bless.
Yes. Mr. MP Sharma appears. Today he's not there. For the respondents who appears? None. What happened to the respondents? Their names are reflected, still they are not there. Inform them. All are right their absence. Okay. None appears on call for the petitioner, neither for the respondents, although the name of the respondents were shown in the cause list. If on the next day, the government counsels do not appear, then appropriate action would be taken. For the interest of justice, list this matter again on 12th of May. Yes, Mr. Bhagawati.
Chief, in this matter, higher education and government of Assam have to take instruction also. I mean, the
But
district.
see, there none appears for the respondents today.
Higher to, I can.
Higher?
I am just communicating higher.
You are for elementary, right?
No, Your Lordship, I'm for secondary.
Oh, secondary. Higher education call.
Yeah, I'm communicating with them, Your Lordship. I may have given some time to call them.
I can wait for something.
Where is that order that they had to get the instructions?
Lordship, first order, it's
First order.
Lordship, it is 9/5/2020. Notice was issued, Lordship.
Notice was issued, but that instructions were supposed to be
Yes.
placed.
Apna GA Assam karne mati.
Why councils are not there for GA Assam?
GSM, my lord, there is an allotment, my lord,
So what happened to the allottees?
that I have to check, my lord.
Because last order I have said that if next day they are not there, then appropriate action will be taken.
My lord. The petition, with you?
Yesterday also the advocates were not there and I had to literally call.
My lord. Where are the bench to
There are no such order where they had
Okay.
taken time to place instructions.
No time was taken. On the second occasion, matter, there was paucity of time, so matter did not.
Huh.
I said notice was issued, Lordship.
Huh. No, in the beginning you said they were supposed to place instruction, higher education.
Lordship, that is to come when notices are issued, they have
Ah.
to respond.
What is this matter about?
Education Department Lordship, compassionate appointment Lordship.
Oh, compassionate appointment.
Yes.
So here, respondent number 2, higher education, Cotton University and
Lordship,
district level selection. So 3 and 4, who is appearing? 2, there will be a standing counsel for higher education.
Lordship. Lordship, 1 and 2 higher education will appear.
Hmm.
3
Yes.
for Cotton University that we have taken care of. Lordship, we have sent.
You have taken steps.
Lordship, we have
4 I
taken
can
steps.
appear.
And 4 he can appear Lordship. In fact, after Lordship, after the first day Lordship.
Service on respondent number 3 is complete, but no one is appearing. 4, you are there.
Lordship.
And 1 and 2, none.
Lordship. They can get instruction. That is my prayer, Lordship. Let them take some instructions, Lordship. So without instruction, they cannot assist the court, Lordship.
But their presence should be here.
Lordship, exactly, Lordship.
In the last order, you write that this the copy of the order may be forwarded to the Advocate General of Assam. In the last order. Here also I'll tell it. Heard Mr. M. Bhagavati, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Pavitra P. P. Saikia. P. Saikia, learned counsel for the government of Assam. Learned State Council, who represents respondent number 4 in the instant petition. As far as learned standing counsels for higher education, no one appears. In spite of the standing counsel being shown in the cause list. No, information is okay. Anybody can inform. They should be here. Now, it is seen that the counsels for the departments are not presenting themselves when the matters are being taken up. For the ends of justice, let this matter be taken up again on 14th of May, 2026. The copy of this order may be forwarded to the Learned Advocate General Assam for the needful, for doing the needful. List accordingly.
Moreover, my lord, that's 3 years of service, my lord, that government has filed an appeal, my lord. Then appeal has dismissed, my lord. Otherwise, claim of the petitioner can be allowed, my lord. The district level screening committee taken.
That is the reason why I came before this one.
But then the higher education, they have to be here in their absence.
To be there.
So let this order go to Advocate General. Let me see what happens. Yes, Mr. Bora.
Petitioner before Lordship was initially appointed as a LP school teacher, but next year he is going to be retired. And what happened, my lord, 1986, there is an advertisement. On the basis of advertisement, he applied and call for
Whether a matter can be taken up for disposal.
My lord,
What do you say?
there is a because of that, there is a division bench order also, my lord. And my lord, and after that, my lord, he was selected for, my lord, after written test as well as viva.
No, he is working as a teacher. Next year he will retire.
No, going to be retired next year.
He will retire next year.
They did not, my lord, there is his salary was stopped abruptly 2007. And
His salary was stopped for some inquiry.
Oh yes. Thereafter, what happened after 2007, he came before the Honorable Court. Honorable Court passed an order directed to release him salary. Contempt case is still pending. They issued one appointment letter as a tutor. But thereafter, he is a completed basic training also on the basis of government direction. He has to pay scale of pay, but he is given the appointment as a tutor. And thereafter, my lord, he approached the authority, and authority passed an order, my lord, your lordship. Authority.
You are there for elementary education.
Lordship, the petitioner was already appointed as tutor.
Acha, I can take it up for final disposal. You need not file any affidavit.
Have to take instruction regarding this. A short date may be given, Lordship.
It came up only once,
My lord,
27/6/2025.
My lord. My lord, page 86, my lord. After passing this, the
Page
as a
86.
appointment as a tutor, my lord, the district elementary education officer,
Hmm.
my lord.
What
given
is
a
the name?
my lord,
Hemkanta Hende.
Hemkanta Hending, my lord. He was passing junior basic training in the year of 1992,
Hmm.
and from Khwang Dibugor BTC, and he has to pay, my lord, as a stipend, it is he has to pay.
But
But
his education qualification is pre-degree.
P-degree, my lord. It is required in P-degree at that time, my
That
lord.
is the requirement.
Requirement, my lord.
I'll just
And
go.
he has completed basic training on the basis of direction from the director. And
Acha.
thereafter, abruptly, his salary was stopped. He came before the Honorable Court. Your Lordship, go to the order dated, my lord, page 72.
So you are aggrieved only by the scale of pay. His scale of pay was not granted.
LOP as well as pension, my lord, because of their have to ZPF account is also there, my lord.
Pension,
Everything
it's
is
okay. There is time.
there. But a salary directed to the authority by this Honorable Court from 2007, there is a specific order, my lord.
But then they did not follow and you had filed in
In spite
contempt.
of still contempt, they issued a tutor as appointed as a tutor. And similar situation, those who have completed basic training, they have given a time scale of pay. So thereby director also returned to the district elementary education officer returned to the director.
Hmm.
He has to pay scale of pay. They did not do it. That is why I am.
Okay, let them take instructions. Otherwise, I cannot
Yes,
dispose of
my
it today.
Short date may be given.
Or will you
otherwise going to
only
retire.
instructions or will you file affidavit? Only instructions will do. Again, filing affidavit, they will take a long time.
Right.
Okay.
Instruction on the basis of by page 86. That may be instruction is required, man.
Where you had made the representations.
No, man. This is the district elementary education of page 80, page 86, my lord.
Yes.
With reference to the subject cited
He
by.
was appointed as an assistant teacher, right?
Yes.
1989.
Yes, my lord.
Then
My lord, he has given sent to the basic training course. He completed basic training. Their time scale was given. His post was also confirmed.
basic training he had completed.
Completed, my lord.
And thereafter, he was supposed to draw the regular scale of pay.
From 2007, he was not received. From 2007, he was not received. He came before the Honorable Court. Honorable Court passed an order, my lord.
There is a PIL file.
That due to PIL, my salary was stopped. That PIL was closed, my lord. And thereafter, government issued a one appointment
Wait,
letter.
let's go through your synopsis. Okay, right. Heard Mr. N. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss
B. Deca.
B. Deca, learned counsel for the
Elementary.
Elementary Education Department. By this application, the petitioner has challenged the action of the Department of Element Action of the respondents in not allowing him to continue his service with effect from 2007. No. With effect from the date of his appointment, that is 24/6/1986.
Right.
It is the case of the petitioner that the petitioner was appointed,
Appointment 19/12/89, madam. First
was appointed
advertisement
as
86.
assistant teacher at Ghilamara LP School on 19/12/1989.
Right.
Thereafter, he was allowed to undergo junior basic training, which he had completed in November 1992. And since then, the authorities have allowed the petitioner as well as similarly situated other teachers to draw the regular scale of pay with effect from 28/1/1993. Allowed it to cover the petitioner whose services was confirmed. It is allowed the petitioner and similarly situated teachers, petitioner whose services was confirmed. Full stop. However, the petitioner's salary was stopped from September 2007. And on inquiry, the petitioner came to know that due to pendency of a PIL, being PIL number 67 of 2007, his salary was stopped. But there was no termination order in respect of the petitioner. Full stop. Thereafter, the petitioner and other similarly situated teachers filed a writ petition before this honorable court, and the court and this court, by order dated 8/4/2010, passed in a connected writ petition, disposed of the said writ petition by directing that the teachers who were terminated would stand as such, and those who were not terminated are entitled for salary. However, in the meantime, another advertisement was issued wherein the petitioner applied and appeared before the screening committee. Full stop. The petitioner also expected that since he was not a terminated teacher, he would be continued in his service and would get the salary from October 2007. In the meantime, the writ petition, in the meantime, a batch of writ petition were disposed of, observing the petitioner entitled to salary, both current and arrear, commencing from 2007. However, the same was not done, and the petitioner filed a contempt application, which is pending before this court. However, in the meantime, the petitioner was accommodated as a tutor in a fixed pay, at a fixed pay, in the same school, with the condition that his services will be prospective from 1/11/2020. And that he would not get any benefit of his past service. The petitioner has challenged this order by this writ petition, right? By filing this writ petition. Miss, what did you say? Miss
B. Deca.
B. Deca, Learned Counsel for the Elementary Education Department, submits that she may be allowed some time to get the instruction as to why the petitioner, who was not a terminated teacher and who has an order of this court in his favor, was appointed as a tutor, and with the condition that he will not get any service benefit prior to 1/11/2020. Okay. List this matter. When do you want? When will you place the instructions?
After 2.
List this matter on 22nd of May.
Also after 2 weeks.
On 29th of May. I've given enough time.
But
On 29th of May, on which date the petitioner, the Learned Counsel for the Elementary Education Department would place the necessary instructions.
Can be on 27 or 28.
27th is a holiday.
Oh, sorry, 28.
28. Okay. 28th of May.
One line since he is going to retire next week. So I don't-
Further, no, before I've given the date, further it is requested that the Learned Counsel would place the instruction without fail due to the reason that the petitioner would retire in the next year.
But
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary? So, elementary education had already filed the affidavit, right, Mr. Bora? You are for elementary.
I'm from SSA.
Uh-huh.
I'm not filing the affidavit. I'm not just a formal party for SSA.
So you will file
No, I
affidavit?
will not file my affidavit.
You will not file. So the affidavit filed by the elementary education will do, or anybody else wants time? He has not received the copy. Did you receive?
No, elementary education, your lordship will find affidavit in opposition filed by the director, your lord, secretary, secretary. But in their record, it is shown that this is a director, your lord.
Doesn't matter.
My lord, director. So respondent number 4.
Ah.
The affidavit in opposition should be filed by the respondent number 1. That is why they have given the copy in secretary for to the
So respondent number 1 is the secretary
secretary.
and 4 is
I
director.
want to apply reply for the affidavit in reply, your lordship.
Wait,
Number
secretary to the Department of School Education, right?
my lord.
So he has filed.
He has filed, but the in record it is shown that director of education. Respondent number 4.
Director of Elementary Education.
My
You have made everyone a party. Deputy Secretary to Department of Education, District Commissioner, Director, District Elementary Education Officer, everyone from A to Z.
my lord.
9%. Okay, 9%.
Right.
Respondent number 1.
Did you get the copy filed by Mr. B. Talukdar?
Well,
For,
I have received the
Okay.
as well as I have filed a reply, your lordship.
oh, you have also filed a
Filed
reply.
a reply.
In the petition, I think it is
Petition.
P01.
So, pleadings are almost complete or what? Or you want an affidavit from the secretary?
No, I have already filed.
No, you said the director has filed.
Secretary, but in record it is director, but affidavit filed by the secretary. I have replied,
Mm.
but
There
there
is
is
some
no
con-
any
My lord,
problem
there is some
here, lord.
confusion, my lord.
But only
I have
confusion.
gone through this affidavit, my lord. It is filed by respondent number 1.
Hmm.
However, in the cause title, my lord, it is shown as respondent number 4.
4.
It is filed by respondent number 1 because it is filed the one by Mr. Narayan Kaur, who is the secretary.
I
It is
also
respondent number 1.
But in the cost title, it's written
Actually,
R4.
it is shown as it should have been 1. It is shown as
So let respondent number 1 clarify on this issue.
that can be done.
Wait, which affidavit you are saying?
That is case, petition number 6011 of 2025.
Petition, affidavit filed on 410. No, 41.
Mile.
Acha. So this is respond number 4.
Respond number, no, it should be respond number 1 because respond number 1 is the
Mile.
secretary. That in the cost.
Filed by respondent number 1 through Narayan so and so.
That is correct.
But AO by respondent number 4.
Then in the cost title, it is respond number.
And I am presently serving as commissioner and secretary.
If they have no objection, then the question does not arise because respondent number 1 filed a affidavit. My lord, I have also replied. I have also replied.
You have replied to this affidavit.
My lord.
But let them clarify on whose behalf this affidavit has been filed. 4 is the director.
Who is the director?
And I am presently serving as commissioner and secretary. So this is 1 actually.
But file
This is mistake in the cost title.
actually one.
There is a mistake.
Huh?
Lordship, in a cost title, it is the typographical.
Typographical. This is by 1.
This is for 1.
Mile. One. If
One
they
means
have
it's
no
for
objection, it is one.
So your contention that director has filed is wrong. This is by 1.
Wrong. Then you will.
And then you had filed your reply to 1.
I have filed a reply.
And do you want a affidavit by the director? No.
No.
Acha.
No.
So the matter can be taken up today.
When matter is taken up today.
What do you say, Mr. Bora?
No, I have nothing to figure. I am from the SSA. It is the education department, is the employee of the education department.
Acha, Ms. Dekha, you will be appearing for elementary? This is your affidavit?
Lordship.
Have you gone through the case and affidavit?
No, Lordship. Actually, I'm not prepared to do.
Your lordship will see this is a suspension matter, your lordship. Since long he was in suspension. So
You have challenged the suspension order.
well, suspension order. Your lordship will find peruse the suspension order. Your lordship will find.
So, Ms. Dekha, I'm taking it for disposal. Or you want some time?
Lordship needs some time.
You go through it. By the time I understand this matter, you can finish reading.
Lordship.
Right?
Lordship.
Okay. Yes, tell me, Mr. Chaudhary,
Mine.
what have you challenged here?
Suspension order, your lordship.
Where is that?
Suspension order at page your lordship will find. Page 35, your lordship.
35.
Page 35.
Yes. What is your name? Milon Das.
Milonda. May I read it?
It's okay, I'll read it. He is the BEO.
BU.
Okay. So you were involved in some criminal case.
Well, criminal,
This is what is alleged.
It is a criminal case, but your lordship will, I am the BU. I shall have to control my staff, your lordship. That is I shall to strict regarding their function, your lordship. That is why I have done, your lordship. But one of the office staff, your lordship will find.
And what is the offense?
Offense.
What
he
are
has
the
committed
sections?
Suicide.
108.
Committed suicide.
Abatement to suicide.
My lord, committed suicide, your
Who
lordship.
committed suicide?
One of the office staff is Maya Upadhyay, your lordship.
One office staff committed suicide.
Office staff committed suicide. Your lordship will find page 17, your lordship.
Page
Page 17.
70.
17.
17. And what are these other sections? 351 is what?
351, Your Lordship, will committed suicide and other persons also involved, Your Lordship. Office
So, okay, there are other persons, but you are also involved as it is alleged.
My lord. But I am actually not involved. I have done my official part.
Acha, what did you want me to show?
On Mayapati committed suicide.
I have chosen the part. This is the suicide note
Suicide note.
by Maya Upadhyay.
Maya
I have chosen the path of suicide by myself when I have lost my mental stability due to harassment of BEO, sir. To abatement to suicide.
My lord.
And being ashamed by the
My
office staff. Ashamed as Brajan Kumar does by giving his own account number for the school fund money, by creating total disorder to implicate me, fill people's ears and withdraws money fund to his own pocket. Who is Brajan Kumar Das?
One of the office assistant, Your Lordship.
Acha.
They are office assistant.
So it was Brajan Kumar money, Brajan Kumar Das,
My lord.
by giving his own account number
My lord.
for school fund,
My lord.
has filled some people's ears and she got ashamed of this. Where is the harassment of BEO?
My lord. I have no any involvement, my lord. I am the
No, he must have known. And he was questioning this.
As an officer, he should know the all things.
Acha, wait. Bidyalaya fundor toka Brajan Kumar Dase nijor account number account number. Gute খেলিমেলি কৰি মোক কথা লগাই. Read the Assamese part, the second paragraph. No, Assamese part. The constitution is horrible.
Well,
I
am reading.
Okay. Read from the top.
Main part. Ezahar career. You will find.
From the top.
From the top.
Notice.
Proti Mananiya Biali Thanar Harapapta Arokhi.
No, where are you reading?
From the top.
Top is nothing. BEO Saror.
Page 21.
Oh, page 18 is what?
Page 21.
This is the FIR. No, I wanted to read the suicide note.
Suicide note. Suicide note, you will also.
Page 18.
Page 18.
BEO Sare?
Mile. BEO Saror অত্যাচাৰ আৰু অফিচৰ মানুহৰ পৰা লজ্জিত হয়। অফিচৰ মানুহৰ পৰা লজ্জিত হয়। মোৰ মানসিক ভাৰসাম্য হেৰাই মই নিজে আত্মহত্যাৰ পথ বাছি ললো।
Read the second part.
বিদ্যালয়ৰ ফাণ্ডৰ টকা ব্ৰজেন কুমাৰ দাসে নিজৰ একাউণ্ট নাম্বাৰত জমা কৰি গোটেই খেলিমেলি কৰি মোক ফচুৱাবলৈ কৰা কথা লগাই ফুৰাত অফিচত লজ্জিত হৈছো মই। নাই
তাৰপিছত
my lords.
MDM?
This is the main part in my
MDM or you have not annexed the full admission.
But remaining part is not the main things. This is your lords. Main part is this. Then I have translated this, Your Honor. I have student the part page 17 of suicide in my myself. I have lost my mental stability due to the harassment of user and being shamed by the office staff. Office staff shame.
Okay, I'm reading the FIR. Wait.
You will FIR page 19 or Assamese portion you will find page 21.
So what happened to this? The police case has ended,
Police case, my lord.
had ended. Investigation over.
Investigation are not over, now continue, but I was suspended due to that, your lord. I am still suspension. Since your honor will get,
So what happened? Disciplinary inquiry is on.
the disciplinary inquiry is not on, they have not, till date, they have not constituted any committee, your lord. Till then, they should have constituted the committee. But till date, they have not committed any committee, as well as they have not given me the, your lordship, I have stated in my reply, your lordship. My reply, your lordship will
Well,
find.
we will go to the reply later.
Mile. In my affidavit in reply, your lordship. Page 84. Page 84. May I read?
Wait.
There's a statement.
No, wait, I'm just going through what is the anomaly about? Some midday meal.
Regarding some school uniform,
School
they have discrepancies regarding the uniforms, your lordship. That is why I issue notices to them why they have just the anomalies done. That is my crime, your lordship. I have not. That is their question. Their thing is that I should not have issued any notice, your lordship. So they have done the part, they have discrepancies regarding the issuance of providing of dresses, your lordship. So I have stated in my reply also elaborately, your lordship.
You have been given a show cause notice, right?
My lord, show cause notice.
Where is that show cause notice?
Show cause notice. Show cause notice, you honor will find page 35 there, your lordship. Page 35. Page 35.
This is the notification of suspension. Where is the show cause?
My show cause notice, your lordship will find. I'm giving your honor. Page 48, your. Page
48.
40.
Achha. 48 is a reply.
My lord, your lordship, 51, your lordship. 51. 51.
This is also your reply.
My lord, 15, no. 15, your lordship. May I read it? So cause notice for non-distribution of school uniform. This is the main thing.
Where? 50 is a vernacular.
51 is one.
51 is a reply.
The dated 19/6/2025.
But this is your letter.
Not this is my letter. You also will find
From Milondas to headmistress.
Page 50.
But we'll take up the next case. That is petition number 171. With that petition, we are challenging the so-called. Next petition, madam.
Next, listed today.
Yes. Along with this case, madam. Page
Achha,
number 21.
171.
171.
There he has challenged the
There
show
is
cause.
so-called notice, which is in page number 21.
20?
1.
21 of the next case. Yes, this is the show cause. This was dated?
Which petition you find?
The next petition, your petition only. 171.
171. Married.
Next page.
Next matter.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
This is annexure 5, page 51.
No, that is not your show cause. Your show cause is there in the other petition.
My lord.
Page number 21.
Page number 21.
You come day after tomorrow after preparing the entire case.
Page 21.
Mr. Chaudhary,
Well,
after preparing the entire case, come day after tomorrow.
my lord, then
Okay.
a
By that time, you also get prepared.
short date may be given
Day after tomorrow.
day after tomorrow.
Friday. You look into
Friday.
both of your cases. Okay.
Friday.
As prayed for by the parties. List this matter again on Friday, that is 15th of May. You come prepared, we'll dispose it of.
Master.
So look into both the cases. You are there in that case. I heard Mr. R.M. Chaudhary for the petitioner and Miss Decca for respondent number 4, Elementary Education Department, Mr. S. Bora for SSA, Miss R. Datta for respondent number 7 and Mr. Respondent number 7 and Mr. P. Saikia for respondent number. Oh, the State Council. You all come prepared, huh? And then, so and so, as prayed for by both the parties.
Better treated as a partner.
Oh, not partner. I'm there Friday, I'll say.
Master.
Okay. Sharma. Yes, Mr. Sharma. You are Sharma, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Readings are complete, matter is ready, ma'am. This matter may be taken up to them.
Yes.
Matter may be taken up today for this.
Oh, yes. Yes, Miss. Yes. What was your surname? I forgot. Das. P. Das. You are ready? You have seen?
Already we have filed our affidavit and that is the only stand, your lordship, lapses of time, your lordship, and the annexure 4, which the order has.
Okay, okay. Let me hear him first.
Yes, your lordship.
What have you challenged?
My lord, petitioner has been regularly appointed as the principal, my lord. Page 18 is the appointment order.
Page 18, you are regularly appointed as the principal.
Yes, my lord, due to, after following due process of selection.
Wait, after what?
Thereafter, my lord, what
Wait.
happened?
Page 18, right?
Yes, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, page 20. For non-submission of utilization certificate.
Wait, let me see, go through page 18 once. What is your name?
Nur Mohammed.
Noor Muhammad. Okay, you were appointed and posted
Yes,
in Chakla Higher Secondary School, Bongaigaon.
yes.
You were earlier head subject teacher of PM Higher Secondary School, Rongapani.
As per government rule and regulation, I have been, as per government procedure, I have been appointed. There is no dispute. Then page 20, there are some, I did not submit a audit report.
Page 20.
Yes, madam. Next page.
Yes, what happened?
Since I did not submit the annual report.
You failed to submit the utilization certificate.
Yes, madam, regarding collection of fees, etc. Then I was placed under suspension.
Achha.
Then
Wait.
page 21.
Chakla has failed to submit the utilization certificate in due time. Show cause as to why disciplinary show cause notice was issued. Concern was asked by the president to convene a meeting. Whereas the incumbent Muhammad, the neither submitted not responded to his instruction. Okay. So he was placed under suspension.
Yes.
On which date? It's 8/11/21.
Yes.
Achha.
Then next page, page 21, I was allowed to draw 75% of my subsistence allowance.
75% of subsistence allowance.
Yes.
Okay.
Then page 22,
Hmm.
I have been reinstated, my lord.
So inquiry was over
Yes, my lord.
or no?
My lord, page, my lord, in the meantime, my lord, I have submitted the inquiry report.
Hmm.
Inquiry report, page 26.
page 26.
Yes, madam, this is the audit report submitted by the local funds and audit.
No, this is submission of the audit report.
Yes. Then madam, page 33,
Hmm.
some departmental proceeding was going on against me.
Hmm.
And page 33, the inspector of school has written a letter to the director, page 33.
Hmm.
And requested that since he has filed the audit report and requested to close the departmental proceeding against me. Last line.
Okay, to close the departmental proceeding.
Yes, ma'am. Then page, next page,
Hmm.
next page 24, 34.
Yes. No, what had happened? You were put under suspension for not submitting your utilization certificate.
Yes, madam. Then
Thereafter, an show cause notice was issued.
I have submitted.
You submitted your reply.
Yes, madam. Then I was reinstated in service.
So the inquiry
Next.
report inquiry was over.
Yes,
Report was given to you.
Yes, madam.
So in the report, what was there?
Madam, only some procedural elements. Page 34, you lordship.
Hmm.
Whereas Mr. Noor Ahmed, principal so-and-so, was placed under suspension by the inspector of school in connection with embezzlement of government fund. I ordered at 8/11/2021. Whereas departmental proceeding framing specific charges was against Mr. So on whereas written replies in defense to the show cause has been submitted by Mr. Nur Mohammed denying the charges level against him. Whereas inquiry committee was constituted to inquiry into the ongoing departmental proceeding drawn up against Nur Mohammed, principal so-and-so.
But without financial power.
Subsequently, the inquiry report submitted his report on 29/11/2002, and based on the finding of the above, Mr. Nur Rahman was reinstated in service as principal of Sakla Higher Secondary School without financial power, and inspector of school Bangai was directed to submit audit report on the government grant received by Sakla Higher Secondary School on thereafter, my lord, whereas my next page. Whereas the inspector of school Bongaigaon filed letter dated so and so.
Where is that?
My next paragraph, next page 34B. This was not legible, therefore it was a.
This is the order.
Yes, one, the continuous order, my lord. 1, 2,
Achha.
3, fourth paragraph. Whereas the inspector of
This is continuous.
continuation, my lord, yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, fourth paragraph. Whereas the inspector of school Bongaga filed letter so and so submitted the audit report, which appears no major financial irregularities apart from few procedural lapses on the part of Mr. Nur Mohammed so and so under Bongaga district, and on utilizing funds, grants, etc. by the school during his tenure. Whereas on for after my lord, what happened? In view of above and
wait, on thorough examination, administrative liability on the part of Nur Mohammed have been found as
inability and procedural lapse, but there is no finding any government fund embezzlement. There is no issue of corruption.
But okay, administrative inability.
Administrative inability. In view of above, it has been decided to impose minor penalty of censure on Nur Mohammed on under Bongaigaon district. Accordingly, minor penalty of censure is hereby imposed upon Nur Mohammed, principal and so. Further, the period of suspension, 1 year suspension, principal of Sakla Secondary School under is also regularized. My suspension period has been regularized. There was no embezzlement of fund issue, and for the pensionary benefit, the emoluments received by Nur Mohammed, principal of seniority, was under during his suspension period will be his entitlement. That means, as per my understanding, whatever I have received, no further amount. As per rule, my lord, after 3 months suspension period, I have received 50% of my salary. Then remaining 75% after three months period as well. They have denied, since their censure has been imposed, I am not entitled to any further benefit.
So all monetary benefits is given to you.
But except remaining period of suspension period, 75% I have received, and for 3 months I have received 50%. Remaining 50% for first 3 months Next, after for
That-
9 months, I have received only 75%,
Mm.
and 25% has not been given to me. And during these 1 year, I have also not given any increments. Annual increment also denied. Then, moreover, until further order, the inspector for school Boygaon shall act as drawing and disbursing officer and shall exercise the financial power of Sokla Higher Secondary School.
So financial power was not given to him.
Financial power has not been given. I have challenged the order on the ground that since no major irregularities has been found against me, there is no allegation of embezzlement of fund. So at least my suspension period, remaining salary should be given to me, and along with the other service benefits. Then I approach the authority. Submitted.
You are given all further the period of suspension
No,
is also regularized only for pensionary benefits,
yes,
right?
that remaining salary has not been given to me.
Emoluments received by Noor during his suspension period will be his entitlement. So
Whatever
the
I have
remaining part is not given to
Not
him.
given. This is my prayer. One of the prayer.
Minor penalty of censure, warning.
Yes, warning. Warning has been given, my lord. My increment has been withheld. Then my remaining suspension period of salary that has also not been provided to me. Then I approach this of the authorities for
File representation.
representation, and they have it is the main case, my lord. Then
Where is your representation? 36.
yes, for restoring my financial power.
For restoring of financial power.
Yes, my lord. Two representation, page 36 and page 37. 36.
Not
The type.
paid any hit.
No. Then, my lord, during pendency, then they have filed affidavit in opposition.
Mm.
In the affidavit of opposition, there is not disputing the fact on the basis of minor penalties, censure, my remaining subsistence allowance has been withdrawn. But they have submitted one order because on the date of issuing of notice, Honorable Court directed the tendency shall.
Order date of page 44.
Yes, madam.
What is this order?
My lord, page 44, the original order, madam, first order.
Oh no.
Then,
Then
my lord, page 45 is the.
you have shown this.
Yes, madam. Then page 48. Because this honorable court directed that pendency of the petition shall not be a bar to consider my representation. And representation they have submitted in the, they have passed an order.
So you had an order with you saying that they should
Consider my case.
consider your representation and dispose it of an early date. So this is page number 48 is the
A pendency shall
disposal
not
of
be
the
a-
representation.
There was that pendency shall not be a bar to dispose of my representation. In the meantime, they have filed this affidavit in opposition annexing the order passed by the director. In that order, you lordship may peruse, my lord. The first is 48. Now they have taken a different ground. Earlier was procedural lapses, and now they have taken a therefore at their present is page 49.
Where are you reading? 49, yes.
Yes, madam, page 49. Therefore, at present stage, Nur Muhammad, at present stage,
He cannot be invested with financial power.
for as his involvement in the collection of fees for students. But earlier order was passed, censure was issued only for procedural lapse, administrative inability. Now they have taken a different ground.
Okay. So he cannot be considered and hereby rejected.
Right.
Then
I have also annexed the order in my additional affidavit. I have, in my reply, I have denied all everything. My lord, regarding procedural administrative inability, when I was principal of the school, my school has secured first position in the HS examination. I have annexed that certificate.
that is in case of merits and all.
Yes.
But here there was a embezzlement, alleged embezzlement, and then you
There
were-
is no finding against me
No.
regarding embezzlement.
Yes, but
Procedural lapse.
inability.
Administrative inability, regarding administrative inability, I have annexed a document stating that during my tenure as a principal, my school has secured first position in the HSLC examination. Page
Okay.
67 of the.
So what are your prayers here?
My humble submission would be there.
Financial power.
Yes, but since I have been already censured, impose minor penalty, withholding my increment and 25% for remaining 9 months salary and 50% of my 3 month salary as a subsistence allowance. But they cannot impose my any punishment for my future, my lord. At this stage means in coming days, I cannot be allowed to hold the post of principal. Even my academic charge has also been taken away.
Principal, though, you are still
But my
continuing.
power has been taken away. DDU power has been taken away. My academic charge has been taken away. There's 55 and 56.
But see, you were
cannot
given
allow-
minor penalty of censure.
That I
And
have been
financial
penalized.
power.
I have been penalized withholding my salary, subsistence allowance, then my incremental benefits. That is gone. But in future, my academic power has also been taken away. Now,
You were not totally ascribed as an innocent.
my lord, it is an humiliation to me. I'm a regularly selected principal. During my tenure, my school has secured first position. The administrative inability, I have pointed out that my school has secured first position. There is no allegation, major allegation against me, only administrative inability and procedural lapse regarding maintaining of records. The audit report has been submitted in my favor. Departmental proceeding has been closed. So at least they shall reconsider my loss for restoring my financial part. That may be considered, my lord, along with the academic stats.
You want your financial power back
Yes, my lord.
and you want your salaries
Yes, my lord.
for the suspended period.
Yes, my lord. Remaining salary.
Now you are getting regular salary?
Yes, my lord. I am getting regular salary, being a regularly appointed principal.
Only that suspended period.
Suspended period, remaining part of salary. They cannot impose double punishment, my lord, for not submitting my for procedural lapse or administrative inability.
What was the irregularity found after all during the inquiry?
The records were properly not maintained.
Nothing, huh?
Records were not properly maintained as per the audit report. Audit report, my lord. Though I have mentioned everything, the head should be this way. I have mentioned the head different way, but there is no allegation of embezzlement of funds. They have satisfied, therefore my departmental proceeding has been closed. I have been registered with a minor warning. Warning does not mean that in future time also my warning will be continue till the date of my retirement. That censure
Okay, let's hear what they have.
They have stated that at this stage, at the present stage, the Noor Muhammad is cannot be invested. At this that means for how much, how many times, how much we are.
This stage, later on, they will again decide.
Yes, my lord, they will decide, my lord. For last 3-4 years, I am out of power, my lord.
That is on the department.
2000
How long is your tenure?
Only till my retirement.
Uh-huh.
Till my retirement, this is not fixed tenure.
You have a long way to go.
Yes, my 2022, I have been appointed thereafter. From from 19 to 2021, I was regularly appointed principal. I have been serving as a regular principal. During my tenure, my school has secured first position. After 2021, some allegation has been brought. The procedural lapse, not only me, my lord. At that time, my lord, in place of me, the inspector of school was allowed to hold the charge of DDO. So procedural lapse of financial irregularity was combined between myself and the inspector of school. But the whole burden has been shifted to me, and therefore, for future they cannot continue the punishment. They will
Okay, let me hear why they don't want to give entire relief.
They're only that is just external. I'm 58 years of old.
So what is your stand?
For the very first, your lordship, the government fund received under various scheme allotted to the school. But he has failed, your lordship, and annexure 1 is a describable one, your lordship order, that is on page 44, wherein the last
44 of the
line,
petition. No, there is an audit report saying that he has not done any irregularity. So
your lordship, my
34.
44.
44. Yes. Your AO.
My affidavit in opposition, that is on 4th line, your lordship, onwards. He was instructing your lordship to submitting the utilization certificate against the fee waiving for the year 2020. And whereas the petitioner, present petitioner, Noor Mohammed, principal.
That we have seen. that he had failed to submit that utilization
Yes, Your
certificate.
Lordship. He again
That is why
failed-
he was put under suspension.
Yes, Your Lordship. He again failed to
But then
submit
he was exonerated by giving a minor punishment of censure.
censure.
Then
has
why
been
are you
given, Your
withholding
Lordship.
his entitlement during his suspended period? And why not the financial power? What irregularity have found in him?
As per DPC, Your Lordship, inquiry in my affidavit in opposition, that is paragraph 6, Your Lordship, paragraph page 40, Your Lordship, DPC was drawn against the petitioner, which was concluded with the.
So yes, that is what I'm saying, by imposing minor penalty of censure. And his period of suspension was also regularized for
Procedure length
getting
is also
pension.
there, Your Lordship.
Where?
Paragraph 41, page 8.
Page?
Page 41, paragraph 8 of my affidavit in opposition. Your Lordship, I am going it systematically, Your Lordship. This is my submission, Your Lordship. I have to rely on my affidavit in opposition. So that, Your Lordship, as he has given his chances, Your Lordship, opportunity to hear him. Your Lordship, kindly, my procedure, systematic procedure may be recorded.
Yes,
in
you
my
can
submission,
always
Your
submit the
Lordship,
way you have
because-
prepared. But you
Yes,
have to
I am
answer the
prepared, Your
question.
Lordship, because allegation has been made, and how, Your Lordship, this was drawn, Your Lordship. I may given, Your Lordship, equal opportunity, because here one order has been issued against him on dated 8/11/2021 as annexure 1. Thereafter, another, Your Lordship, allegation has been made, Your Lordship, on dated 21/12/22, which is annexed as annexure 2.
Where?
Thereafter, Your Lordship, on dated office order number 45185, that is annexure 3, on dated 8/4/2024, Your Lordship. There, Your Lordship, in paragraph 5, Your Lordship, I have stated that in page 40, that answering deponent humbly begs to state that in the subsequent period, the petitioner was reinstated in his service as regular principal, but without allowing to exercise.
Which paragraph? Which paragraph? You are reading?
Paragraph 5,
5.
page 40.
Yes.
I would like to read it, Your Lordship. That the answering deponent humbly begs to state that in the subsequent period, Noor Mohammed was reinstated in service as regular principal without allowing to exercise financial DDO power, White Office Order number GBEST allegation 1822.
These are
And that is on
contentions.
annexure 2, Your Lordship.
No, these are he has placed. Yes, he was not allowed financial power. But why?
Your
After
Lordship, that is, Your Lordship, for that, Your Lordship, you have to go annexure 2, that is on page 45, paragraph 3rd onwards, Your Lordship. It has been observed. Did you find it, Your Lordship? It has been observed onwards. It has been observed that there is every possibility of tampering of documents, evidences related to the department proceedings drawn up against Mohammed Noor Mohammed, principal of Chakla HS School, Bongaigaon, if he is allowed to perform the duties and responsibilities of principal of the school. As such, it think fit and proper to keep Noor Mohammed away from the duties and responsibilities of principal of the school, including exercise the financial power, Your Lordship, till disposal of the existing department procedure. Thereafter, Your Lordship, therefore, Noor Mohammed shall not perform the duties and responsibilities of principal of Chakla HS School, Bongaigaon, and shall not exercise the financial power until further order. So this is the one thing, Your Lordship, because the DPC was drawn, Your Lordship, against him, and it was going on. So till
this was before the inquiry report.
Disposal, Your Lordship. Thereafter, another order has been issued, Your Lordship. Where's Surabana? Annexure 3, Your Lordship.
This is also before the
Your
inquiry
Lordship,
report.
Annexure 3, Your Lordship, he was minor penalty was given. I have stated in paragraph 6, page 40, that censure has been imposed censure imposing against a petitioner, that is Noor Mohammed, principal of Chakla High Secondary School under district Bongaigaon, and he was and his period of suspension was regularized for pensionary benefits only, not to having financial power, your lordship, for pensionary benefits only, so that he get the pensionary benefits. His term was his suspension was regularized. And annexure 3, your lordship, that is on page 46. Whereas onwards, the order has issued, your lordship, on dated 8/4/2024. Here, your lordship, second paragraph. Here, your lordship, first paragraph is stated that whereas Mohammed Noor Mohammed, principal of Chakla Higher Secondary School under Bongaigaon, this was placed under and by the inspector of school BDC Bongaigaon in connection with embezzlement of government fund received under various scheme by the school wide order dated so and so on dated 8/11/2021. Whereas department proceedings framing specific charge was initiated against Mohammed Noor Mohammed, principal under suspension of Chakla Higher Secondary School under Bongaigaon district by issuing one show cause notice that was on dated 29/10/2021. Whereas written replies in defense to the show cause notice has been submitted by the petitioner, that is Mohammed.
It's okay, I've gone through that.
Your lordship, whereas my fourth paragraph states that he was their principal based on findings of that is third line, 1, 2, 3, fourth line, third line onwards, your lordship. Subsequently, the enquiry officer.
I've gone through this. So censure was imposed upon him.
No, your lordship, that is your lordship, why financial without financial power, your lordship, page
Yes,
46.
there are no measure, but some procedural lapses were seen in utilizing the funds.
He was reinstated in his service as principal of Chakla without financial power, and inspector of his school Bongaigaon was directed to submit its audit report to the audit report on the government grants received by Chakla Secondary School during the tenure of Mohammed Noor Mohammed, principal, by this office order number GST, and which was issued on 21/12/2022. And thereafter, your lordship, whereas inspector of school BDC Bongaigaon, white letter dated so and so 12/2/2024 submitted the audit report, which appears no major financial irregularities apart from few procedural lapses on the part of the petitioner, principal of Chakla Higher Secondary School under Bongaigaon district, on utilizing the funds of government grants received by the school during his tenure as principal of the school. Whereas on through examination, administrative inability on the part of the principal Higher Secondary Chakla School under Bongaigaon district has been found, your lordship, and it is evident from its record, your lordship. And from its record, it can be seen that the district, on utilizing the funds of the government, which has been granted, received during his tenure as principal of the school, it was not utilizing. And there is few procedural lapses has been found on his part, your lordship. So according to your lordship, they have decided to give minor penalty of censure, and under Bongaigaon, your lordship, that is continuation on page 47.
Mr. Sharma, you bring some judgments on censure, whether after imposing the punishment of censure, some other things can also be imposed. Because here some irregularities was found on your behalf regarding utilization of the money and all. So, apart from censure, that is warning is given to you. But apart from that, some other that you will not be able to take care of the financial part. So it was not given to you.
They have stated that at this stage I am not entitled. But at this stage means how many years? I will be returning after 2 years. Now,
The last order also, that is annexure 40.
At the present stage, Noor Muhammad cannot be invested with financial power, as his involvement in collection of fees from the students is on record. Something was seen, something was found.
Earlier speaking order, the ground was taken a different ways. There was some procedural lapses, administrative inability. Now they have taken another ground now, collection of fees. In the earlier order, there was no mention regarding collection of fees. When the department is not willing to give me chance, my lord, they will take one after one ground.
This collection of fees was not subject matter before.
Yes, my lord. Now they have taken money. So my humble submission, they will consider, my lord, since I am going to retire after 2 years and I am a regularly appointed principal.
So what I'll do is I'll give the necessary facts. You again make a representation to them. And they will consider whether that will do.
If they don't, they will pass order again.
Okay.
Because in my last order, your lordship, that is on 26,
That order
January 26, that is which I annexed as annexure 4, page 48 and 49. They, again, your lordship clearly stated that last paragraph, furthermore, page 48, annexure 4. Furthermore, regarding allowing financiers DDO power to Noor Mohammed, that is a present petitioner, principal of Chakla Higher Secondary School, as punishment was imposed upon him on being found his involvement in the collection of fees from the students, that is 9 and 10, etc. Therefore, he was not invested with the, financial power.
This part is not there in the inquiry report. This is a new issue. Anyway, he'll file a representation. And then we will dispose of.
That order may be interviewed. I will file test.
Okay. Let me see. While dictating, I'll be able to know.
Has been passed.
Okay. Heard Mr. M. Sharma or M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. P. Das, learned standing counsel for Secondary Education Department. By filing this application under Article, yes, Ms. Kalyani Devi, you are sitting here. What matter? I don't want you to sit for a longer time here.
Item 12, 13 and 14.
12, 13 and 14. 12, contempt case.
Contempt case, yes.
Some other day.
No, I would like to.
It's already 3:30. My dictation will take another half an hour.
Can we give a date then?
And the other side is ready, Mr. Chutia.
Yes, my lord. And they have received the copy also.
Acha.
Steps it has
In item number only 13.
Hmm.
Item respondent number 2 have received the copy, my lord, and column number is still not filed by us.
Acha.
So sometime may be granted.
So these are all connected matters.
all are connected, yes.
Or then if one goes to other two will already also go. So you write in 12, 13, 14 not likhil wasn't? Heard Mrs. K. Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. U. Sharma, learned counsel for respondent number 2.
Yes.
Item 13 not likhiba, huh? Mr. You are not appearing in 12 and 14?
Yes.
Not there.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. U.
It has not been completed yet, kind of.
Oh. You can appear in other two.
One is already been they received in one case.
Also, all are similar. Appear for R2.
Yes.
Time for that.
It will be in all the applications. Huh? Mr. U. Sharma, learned counsel for respondent number 2, submits that he has been newly engaged and that he is yet to file his wakalat nama and seek some time for the said exercise. Prayer is allowed. You have got the copy?
No. I have not received the copy yet.
Acha. Prayer is allowed. Further, the learned counsel for the petitioner, tell your junior to do. Learned counsel appearing for petitioner may hand over a copy of the contempt application to Mr. U. Sharma by tomorrow. List this matter again on. When do you want? Tell me a date.
Let me be given because there is a case of opening the portal.
Huh.
No, not to give after
June.
because no June, my lord. May, last part of May.
Okay.
28.
Then 28. List this matter on 28th of June. May 2026. Yes.
Of lies. Well, by the time let them file a PDP.
No, she is a senior
Yes,
advocate,
yes.
so I have given her chance. You please sit. Okay. Yes, Mr. Bormia, you are there for some matter.
Yes, my lord. Item number 15, my lord. Non-payment of their pension, my lord. Provisional
Oh.
pension. That order
All
is there.
pleadings are complete.
Pleadings are not complete and provisional pension also not given.
So today, though, it cannot be done. I think pleaded.
Some direction be given and fix the matter for admission any day next week, man.
Okay, then let me pass the order here. Then I'll take up yours. Or what?
We'll pass order afterwards. No problem, my lord.
Okay, let me see if I can take it up. Okay.
Lordship.
Let your junior be there. He can go. Acha, by filing this in this matter. By filing this application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has challenged petitioner has not challenged Nidiba. The petitioner has prayed that although a minor punishment was imposed upon him after an inquiry conducted by the concerned authority in the Office of Secondary Education, Assam, but some other penalties were also imposed upon him, such as taking off the financial power from him, as well as non-payment of the financial benefits, non-paying of the salary during the period he was put under suspension. Full stop. The case of the petitioner is that he was appointed as a principal on regular basis and posted in Chakla Higher Secondary School, District Bongaigaon, against the existing vacant post by order dated 6/3/2019. And he was working as the principal of the said school since then. However, after 2 years, that is on 8/11/2021, the petitioner was put under suspension on the allegation that he failed to submit the utilization certificate against the fee waiving for the year 2020. It is called submit the utilization certificate in due time. In due time, will likh diya. Full stop. The petitioner was as such, was served with a show cause notice to show cause notice, asking his reply as to why disciplinary action should not be taken against him. Where is the show cause? Not annexed. Not annexed. Wide on 6/10/2021. It was further alleged that petitioner had neither submitted the utilization certificate nor responded to the higher authority's instruction. And as such, considering the said facts and circumstances, before obtaining the approval from the Director of Secondary Education Assam and subject to pending departmental proceeding, the petitioner was placed under suspension with immediate effect as per Assam Services within bracket Discipline and Appeal Rules 1964. Full stop. The petitioner was, however, allowed to draw his subsistence allowance as per FR 53 within bracket Roman small 2. Thereafter, by an order dated 4/3/2022, the petitioner, who was placed under suspension, was allowed to draw 75% of his last basic pay as subsistence allowance with effect from the expiry of first 3 months of placing him under suspension. It is stated by the petitioner that he had submitted his show cause reply and the same was considered by the office. If same was considered by the office of the Director, Secondary Education. After receiving the show cause reply from the petitioner, the inquiry committee started the inquiry against the petitioner. And after conclusion of the inquiry, no. Hetu katiba, huh? Commence the inquiry dilu. And during the pendency of the departmental proceeding, the inquiry officer submitted a report to the Director, cum Disciplinary Authority, Secondary Education Assam. And on the basis of the said report of the inquiry officer, dated 29/11/2022, the petitioner was reinstated in his service as principal of the same school, by order dated 8/11/2021. It is further contemplated in the said order dated 21/12/2022 that there is every possibility of tempering of documents and evidences, and as such, the petitioner is although reinstated in his service, but he was not allowed to exercise the financial power till disposal of the departmental proceeding. If I go wrong, please tell me, huh, Mr. Sharma? Till disposal of the existing if it till disposal of the ongoing departmental proceeding.
Stated on 21/12/2020 instead of 8/11/2020.
An extra 4.
Oh, acha. But see, who placed suspension? This Bongaigaon wide order dated demand is hereby reinstated.
Reinstated wide order dated 21/12/2020. That is the order now.
Acha, acha. 8/11/21 is the suspension order. Acha, hetu je dilu reinstated. Hetu ma koisu 8/11/21 no. You make it 21/12/22. 21/12/22. It was also contemplated in the said order that petitioner shall not perform the duties and responsibilities of principal and shall not exercise the financial power. And also that the inspector of school, BDC Bongaigaon, would exercise the financial power, would exercise the said financial power of the school. Full stop. It was also directed by the said order that the inspector of schools Bongaigaon would submit the audit report on various government grants allotted to the said school, that is Chakla HS School, during the period when the petitioner was continuing as the principal. Thereafter, on 25th of January 24, the Assistant Director of Audit of Goalpara Circle had intimated the principal, that is the petitioner, that he had sent his first reply to the audit report duly approved by the SMDC to the office, to the concerned office. What is that report? This is now page number 28. In the said report, it is seen that some unspent amount was returned during the financial year to the government. It was returned to the government. Was some unspent amount, right, was returned to the government during the financial year 22 to 23. And some unauthorized, together with some unauthorized expenditure was also found, as well as doubtful expenditure. And irregularity in maintenance of cash book, and also allegations of temporary misappropriation. And with some other irregularities.
May I point out one page 27. Page 27, serial number 123, Nur Mohammed, the page 21, regulation form. Nur Mohammed petitioner was the principal form 70 2019 and 10/11 2010.
21.
This is the my period.
Yes.
And subsequently, the inspector of school. So major irregularities conducted during the period of 22-23. That means under the jurisdiction of the.
So you make an evaluation then against the petitioner who was working as a principal from 7/3/2019 to 10/11/21. The said report was also against two other in-charge principals who were working on different dates. One was before the petitioner joined, and the other when the petitioner was put under suspension. Right, in charge. Paisa? Paisa ne? Thereafter, thereafter, the final audit report, right, was submitted on 12/2/2024 in respect of the petitioner. And a request was made by the in-charge inspector of schools to close the departmental proceeding against the petitioner. Pursuant to the said order, the inquiry officer who had conducted the disciplinary proceeding against the petitioner submitted its report on 29/11/2022. This was a second reinstatement. He was reinstated during the pendency.
Reinstated, but departmental procedure was drawn against him after filing of the audit report, page 33. Then the director has passed the final order.
After filing of the audit report, then what?
After filing the audit report, page 33, by the inspector of school to the director, then director has passed the impugned order, which is imposing minor penalty.
And no, it is stated was reinstated in service as principal without. So this was a kind of second reinstatement.
Continuous, my lord.
Continuation.
Yes. Whereas departmental proceeding specific charge was planned, whereas so and so.
Subsequently, the inquiry officer submitted his report on Iman, and based on the findings of the above report, he was reinstated. 21/12/2022 is that same order. Yes, 21/12/2020, 29/11. He was reinstated according to you on 21/12/2022.
Yes.
During the pendency of the disciplinary proceeding.
Yes, my lord.
And then
my lord, inquiry.
What is this? His report on 29/11/22. So that was the first report.
Yes, my lord. Then my lord, page 34. After filing of the audit report.
This order is dated what?
This order is dated 8/4/2024.
8/4/24.
8/4/24. I have already annexed it, Your Lord.
He has also annexed. Okay, you right. What did I say? The inquiry report.
29/11.
On 29/11/2022, নালাগে সেইটো দিব নালাগে হা হেৰি দিয়া কি কৈছিলো ওপৰৰ পৰা কোৱাচোন pursuant to the said order নাই হেৰি কোৱা where is pursuant to the said order the director of secondary education Assam by order dated 8/4/2024 passed an order that the petitioner was reinstated in his service, but he should be refrained from using his financial power and the inspector of schools was further directed to submit audit report on the government grants received by the school during the tenure of the petitioner. They were again asked to submit.
No, my lord. Page 34. More elaborated in the page 46, the total order.
Oh no, this is what? This order that you have translated? This translation is wrong or what? Page 34?
Page 34 and page 46 the same.
34 and?
34 and 34 is the type copy of the first three paragraph. Type copy. And page 46 order dated 8/4/2024.
Your lordship, mine one is clear, your lordship. This is
No, somewhat the translation is wrong. Few paragraphs only you have translated.
Type copy.
Type copy.
This type copy, your lordship.
First three paragraph has been typed. From 4 onwards is
fourth one onwards, it was clear. And there is the same, no?
Okay.
Page 46 of my
It's okay. This is the proper copy.
Yes.
Okay. Pursuant to that order, the director of secondary education Assam, by order dated 8/4/24, on to 8/4/24, has passed an order.
Paragraph
Had
5,
passed an order.
paragraph 5 and 6 is the observation.
Passed an order. No. Had passed an order that the inspector of schools had submitted the audit report on 12/2/2024, which demonstrated that no major financial irregularities was found on the part of the petitioner, and that few procedural lapses on utilizing the funds / government funds received by the school were found against the petitioner. It was further stated that on thorough examination, administrative inability was found on the part of the petitioner. And on such findings, it was decided to impose minor penalty of censure on the petitioner, as provided under Rule 7, Sub-Rule 1 of the Assam Service Discipline and Appeal Rules, 1964. Full stop. Accordingly, the minor penalty of censure was imposed upon the petitioner with further with the further stipulation that the period of suspension of the petitioner be regularized only for pensionary benefits, and that the emoluments received by the petitioner during his suspension period would be his entitlement. It was also ordered that the inspector of schools shall act as the drawing and disbursing officer and also shall exercise the financial power. Full stop. With the said order, the disciplinary proceeding was disposed of against the petitioner. Full stop. Pair. The petitioner was aggrieved by the part of the order passed on 8/4/2024, by which his financial power was taken away, and that his salary during the period of his suspension was also not paid.
Remaining salary. Remaining
Remaining salary, yes. The remaining salary, apart from 75% of.
For 3 months, 50% I have received, remaining 50%, and after 3 months, 75 I have received.
Acha, remaining part of his salary by deducting the subsistence allowance.
With the increment, increment I have also.
As well as the increment. To ventilate his grievance, he submitted a representation to the Director of Secondary Education on 31/12/2024 with a prayer to restore his financial power as well as to pay his remaining salary stopped during his suspension period. There is no reply to this representation.
During pandemic, I have submitted to this honorable court directed that
Oh, yes.
the requisition.
It is stated by the learned counsel for the petitioner. It is paragraph that during pendency of the instant writ petition, this court had directed the authorities. Oh, the direction was also to file representation.
Already that represented pendency shall not be a bar to consider the representation filed up to first order.
Acha. Okay. No, this court had directed the authorities to consider the representation submitted by the petitioner. And then what happened?
Then by page 48.
Yes. And in pursuant to that order, the Director of Secondary Education Assam wide an order dated 31/1/2026 had ordered that on consideration of the representation, at present stage, that at the present stage, the petitioner cannot be invested with the financial power in the school in view of his alleged involvement in collection of fees from the students of class 9 and 10, which was found on record. And as such, the claim of the petitioner to give him the financial power was not allowed and was rejected.
As well as remaining salary.
Restoration of his financial power as well as release of his remaining salary was not considered and was rejected. And by the said order, the representation was disposed of.
The order was passed without hearing me. No opportunity was given to me.
It's okay, representation. It was a representation and it was disposed of, right? The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in the order dated 8/4/2024, it was stated that on the basis of it was stated that the audit report shows that petitioner was not involved in any major financial irregularities and that only few procedural lapses were found in utilizing the funds / government funds received by the school. And also that administrative inability was found in respect of the petitioner. And as such, a warning was given to the petitioner for such inaction or irregularity. But in the reply to his representation, dated 30/1/2026, it was stated that the petitioner was found involved in collection of fees from the students. Which, however, was not the case when the petitioner was put under suspension or when the proceedings or put under suspension or when the inquiry report was submitted. He also had placed that in the order of his suspension, the only allegation against the petitioner was that he failed to submit the utilization certificate in due time. Full stop. It is noticed it is in fact noticed in the suspension order that petitioner was placed under the same only for non-submission of utilization certificate. And also in the subsequent orders, it is seen that few procedural lapses were found with regard to the petitioner. And findings were recorded that the petitioner was unable to continue with his administrative duties, but no financial irregularities were attributed to him. Although in the first audit report, there was some allegation which did not find place in the final report submitted by the inquiry officer as well as by the inquiry committee, right? Inquiry officer had given a report, then inquiry committee also?
Officer.
Only officer?
Yes, ma'am.
By the inquiry officer, huh? As such, it is in fitness of the things that the petitioner may submit another representation to the Director of Secondary Education, Assam, by bringing into facts, by bringing into the said facts, which has to be considered by the said authority within a reasonable period of time. By taking into consideration the documents of the instant case. About?
That order may be interviewed.
Within a reasonable, huh?
That order has to go past.
Which order?
Hey, my lord, last order, my lord.
For page 47.
Yes, my lord. 48. The subsequent order during pendency of the writ petition.
This is the disposal of a representation. Then at this stage, they have said that at the present stage, this was in January. So I have already stated the facts. There was no financial irregularities as such. So they will consider.
If this order is still continue for the appeal, then they may.
Without being influenced by the order dated. Okay. Consider without being influenced by the order dated 30/1/2026. It is further directed that the authorities may consider the application and dispose it of within a period of 1 month from the date of the receipt of this order.
Yes, sir.
Petition is disposed of.
Yes, sir.
If some small corrections, I'll do it. Otherwise, facts are okay, right?
Yes.
Right.
Deeply obliged.
It's okay. Yes. Yes, Mr. Rana, you are waiting for some matter. Yes. 10. Okay, these are orders only. I'll just finish it off.
Yes, no.
8 is what?
Complaints of the order dated, my lord, they are.
Show cause reply. Huh? Show cause reply? Datta. You are Mr. Datta?
HLS, sir.
I'm appearing on behalf of SMT Sister, Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
That's one number 3.
Yes, what?
You were supposed to file counter.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I may allow to call him, Your Lordship. He is on legs in court 4, Your Lordship.
It's already 4:15.
Sometime.
She's there with proper instructions from Mr. Chishti.
I
Yes.
need some time to file my wakalat number for respondent 1 and 2, my lord. Service
You are appearing for 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
And Mr. Chisti for 3.
3, my lord. We have not filed my lord wakalat number.
This is contempt or what?
Contempt.
Oh, contempt. Acha, you are appearing for 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Okay. Heard Mr.
HL
H.L. Oscar, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss
S. Sutia, my lord.
S. Chutia, learned counsel for respondent number 1 and 2. And it is stated that Mr. Chishti, SMT Chishti, is appearing for respondent number 3. Ms. Chutia, learned counsel submits that she has instructions to appear for respondent number 1 and 2, and that she will file her wakalat nama
Within a week, my lord.
within a short, within a few days from today. And as such has prayed for some time. Prayer is allowed. List this matter. This is contempt, okay? You file your response or whatever you require. List this matter on 2nd of June 2026, by which the learned counsel for respondents may file their counters, if any.
Oblige.
This is also a contempt case. Yes.
Office not showing services awaited.
Service on the contemptor.
Yes, sir.
Neither AD card nor unserved notice has been back. Why? These are not officials.
Not yet, my lord. And office not showing.
Commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development.
Yes.
Because the pension, they must be transferred somewhere else.
Yes. So, my lord, may I pray that my lord, the registry may ask to track the my lord, postal report, my lord, and it may be bring a track or something.
Why registry? You do the needful. You ask
My lord,
them.
the track number is not with us, my lord, and the registry.
Oh, it's a registry to
Yes,
find
sir.
out the consignment number and all.
Yes, sir.
Track number.
Yes, sir. Whether it is delivered or not, they can verify, lordship.
When the steps were taken, no, 34 only. Let us await.
Lordship,
30th of
content
April.
matter and urgency is the pensionary benefits matter.
Okay. Heard, Mr.
K. Rahman.
Huh?
K. Rahman.
K. Alam.
K. Rahman. lordship.
K. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner. It is noticed in the office note dated 30/4/2026 that service upon respondent number 1 and 2 is not complete, and that till date, neither AD card nor unserved notice has returned back. In view of the same, and considering the fact that the present petition is a contempt application, the registry is directed to track the consignment note and put up a note
Yes, ma'am. Bring it.
with regard to the, put up a note with regard to the service of notice in respect of respondent number 1 and 2.
Right.
List this matter again on
Arrangement 15, my lord.
15th of May,
Yes, sir.
2026.
Right.
Yes, Mr. Rana. Mr. Singha. I had taken your first name. This is Forest.
Yes,
Oh, you're for Forest.
I am for the,
Respond number 4.
I am for the impleaded respondent number 4, your lordship.
Acha. Impleaded respond number 4.
I have filed an application for recalling of the application by way of which I have been impleaded as a party respondent.
Oh, you think you're not a necessary
No,
party?
your lordship. May I just place the facts before your lordship? Ladyship?
Have you filed an application to that?
Yes, your lordship. Yes.
This is IA number what?
IA number
2871.
2871.
71.
Yes.
So what do you say? Will you file any counter to his application?
They have already filed.
Oh, they have already filed.
Yes.
Earlier file, thereafter they have filed rejoinder affidavit.
Oh, so
Today
many-
to assist the code.
only for impleading aspect.
Yes.
Yes, your lordship. The issue is
Thank you.
like this. May I just present the facts before your ladyship?
Mm.
They have some contract with the forest department.
Mm.
The forest department has terminated their contract.
Mm.
They have filed a writ petition challenging the termination order.
Mm.
Now, during the proceeding, out of no way, they have filed an application stating that we need to be impleaded as a respondent.
You
No
will-
reason was assigned.
We means you are
We
for
are- I am
R4.
I am respondent, French
No.
Development Agency, your lordship.
what development agency?
French. We are located here. We are located at France, your lordship. Just
This will
like,
take some time, I think. Now it's already 4:20.
yes, your lordship.
Can we take it up some other day? I'll have to
Monday?
go in details.
My lord, the petitioner was released from his service since a long.
No, the
period.
issue of me pleading as a party respondent has to be decided. Because we have the
Yes.
agency like IMF, World Bank, we funds the projects in the state of Assam and various other places in
Yes.
biodiversities and all other things. Now, they have implemented, we have no role at all to play. So we need to get ourselves out of this case. For that, I filed a petition recalling that order. So your lordship may, ladyship may fix the matter on Monday, if today it's not possible.
On Monday or Friday?
It may be given.
Monday.
Monday, your lordship.
Due to paucity of time, the matter could not be taken up. Fix this matter again on 11th of May. Okay.
I'm deeply obliged. Your Lord.
Because that will take some time, at least half an hour to 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
11?
Maybe pleases you, Lordship.
Ah.
Your Lordship, his authentication regarding his whether the university from where he obtained his degree, that later has been sent to his university named Chhatrapati Shahu Ji Maharaj University. But here one instruction has received on dated 5/5/2026 from our department. I would like to place it here. Your Lordship, hard copy, soft copy has been sent to the
It's okay.
court
Let me see
official,
this.
But Your Lordship, due to some technical error, it could not be able to, Your Lordship.
So you have only
print
one
out.
copy. I'll return to you.
No, Your Lordship, I have one copy.
Oh,
more.
achha, okay.
But another some relevant parts of the documents which I have sent in the website of this Your Lordship email ID, but due to some technical error, it could not be able to print out.
Achha.
Already I have.
So
sent
this is
it.
part of the instruction.
Part of the instruction, Your Lordship, but key ingredients, Your Lordship.
Wait, let me go through.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is on the authenticity of the master degree certificate.
Yes, Your Lordship. B.Ed degree.
No.
B.Ed degree.
MA degree.
MA degree. Oh, MA degree.
Master degree.
Master degree certificate obtained from Chhatrapati Sahuji Maharaj University.
University. Your Lordship, here only the pretext, Your Lordship, is that while
Achha,
Your
I'll just
Lordship-
go through 4 points. Wait.
Yes, Your
This
Lordship.
office
Checking
initiated an online application requesting to verify the authenticity of the mark sheet.
documents verification.
Mark
while
sheet certificate of.
Sent, Your Lordship. It was
They
not
say that it is mark sheet of
Yes,
the
Your Lordship.
master degree.
Master degree, Your Lordship.
Mark sheet
The
certificate of
only thing is that
Solimuddin
Your
Hindi
Lordship,
teacher.
document verification portal where it has been
This is via
officially, Your
This
Lordship,
just-
given Your Lordship.
Wait. I'm just going through. Just a minute. In this
It was
context,
not
it is
proper,
stated that the
not
education
matched.
were received by the office on the through the aforesaid portal on fill all correct mark sheet details passing year field wrong. Reply to fill all correct mark sheet details passing year field wrong. It is stated that the information document in the aforesaid portal were uploaded as per particulars expected in his mark sheet. So again, it was asked for.
Yes, Your Lordship. But here, Your Lordship, he has to given it, Your Lordship. The petitioner may call on the last, Your Lordship. Further uploading of information document in the aforesaid portal shall be done forthwith on receipt of the documents information from the petition.
So you
petitioner.
have to send the information
Yes, Your
again.
Lordship. He has.
But whether it is his responsibility.
Lordship, my submission is Lordship, last day, Lordship, yesterday, Lordship, 5/5, Lordship, I got a mail, Lordship.
Not the same one. This is the same one.
Yes, Lordship.
Same one.
Yes, Lordship.
No, another one, Your Lordship. It
oh,
was
another one.
official letter,
Official letter.
which I already, Your Lordship, forwarded to the.
Acha, you
email ID.
get the proper copies. Okay.
You know, only here, your lordship, your lordship, only.
No, you bring
genuineness-
all the instructions. We'll take it up
genuineness
day
of
after
his
tomorrow.
educational documents, that is mark sheet of his master degree. Your lordship, required information document has been sought again from the petitioner for submission in the portal as per requirement of the university. As whenever your lordship filled up, it was showing error. Fill all correct mark sheet. Your lordship, the second one. Second, subsequently, the university has replied through the aforesaid portal, that is 4522, with a remark as fill all correct mark sheet details passing year filled wrong. Reply of the university is
So
attached.
some
Yes, your
details were not given and some things were wrong.
Yes, your lord.
So,
Regarding mark
but it is not his responsibility. You have to send it again.
your lordship,
Because what? What is this matter about?
he is senior.
In-charge principal, Lord.
In charge principal. And you deserve to be the senior. You deserve to be appointed as the principal.
Yes, sir.
But your mark sheet is questioned.
Question, yes,
Yes.
your lordship.
So,
They are not able to portray it while they were uploading it, your lordship, it was showing in the official document verification. Fill correctly, your lordship. Fill all correct, your lordship. Here it has not matched.
no,
with
but
the
then
mark sheet.
see the opening lines of the instruction.
Yes,
The
your lordship.
office initiated an online application.
Yes, your
So it was your office, right? So you do one thing, you submit proper application. It was
Your lordship,
he has not questioned he is saying that his mark sheet was okay.
Yes, Lord.
but the portal has not been accepted due to the unmatched of the mark sheet. That is the only
No, you have annexed the mark sheet here.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Certificate, Lordship. We have annexed.
certificate.
Certificate you have annexed, right? So on the basis of that certificate, the university will take out the mark sheet and will send you the required information.
Mark sheet, they had, your lordship, already portal, in the portal they are trying to upload it, but it was not accepted, your lordship, in the portal because of due to the unmatched, your lordship, of mark sheet. Or else, your lordship, I may allow to file my affidavit, your lordship, where I will state it, your lordship, regarding this arisal problem issue, your lordship. Because here, your lordship, the ascertain of genuineness regarding the educational document is very necessary here, your lordship.
So, but this is an incomplete report. This will take you nowhere. He said that the applications were wrongly filled, and so we are unable to upload.
Yes, Lord.
So you do one thing, you send a proper information to them and get the instructions. Okay.
I mean,
Heard, mister?
Take up, Lordship, 19-day of it.
Okay. Heard, Mr.
Yes, Hussein.
S.
Hussein.
S. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss P. Das, learned standing counsel for secondary education. In response to the earlier order dated 23/2026, Miss P. Das has placed an instruction which states, no, instruction from the Office of the Director of Secondary Education Assam, by which it was stated that the mark sheet details were either not complete or was filled wrongly. And as such, the information could not be given by the said university, that is Chhatrapati Sahuji Maharaj University. And by the said instruction, the documents has been again sought for submission in the portal. As such, full stop, as such, the learned counsel for the higher education department, the secondary education department, is instructed to get the full instruction by necessary exercise by the next date.
So maybe 19.
List this matter again on
19 May.
19th of May, 2026.
I level.
You try to get the instruction, we will see. Yes.
I'm deeply obliged.
Okay. 15th. Yes, Mr. Bormia. I told him to go. What has to be done today?
I am appearing for respondent number 12, my lord.
12.
Office note, my lord. Taken steps, my lord.
He had taken steps.
My lord, kindly see office note, my lord.
Achha. What is the office
34.
note?
304, my lord.
Learned counsel entered appearance on behalf of respondent number 12. You are for 12.
12.
You have filed your wakalat amount. Acceptance of notice. No acceptance of notice was received from these respondents. No one entered on behalf of response 7 and 8. So, notice is not served. I mean, the no any acceptance of notice. What is this language? But D. Mushahari entered appearance for 1, 4, and 9. Right? And 10.
10. My lord.
So, D. Mushahari is for secondary education or higher education? Wait, let me take out this. So, D. Mushahari is for 1, 4, 9,
Your lordship for education.
9 and 10. Secondary education, you are there.
I'm appearing.
So you can appear for 1, Department of School Education.
School education, I can appear.
Okay. So 1, 4.
I'm appearing for respondent number 1. Then your lordship 4. Then inspector of school 9
And 10.
And 10.
and 10.
Last time D. Mushahari appeared. And then learned counsel appeared on 2 and 11. 2 and 11 also somebody appeared. Finance department?
Yes, H. Aliha.
H. Oliha. And 12.
Yes.
No, 11. Treasury officer, Hojai. Choliha can appear?
Yes, your lordship, H. Aliha.
H. Oliha. Then G. Pegu,
GSM
3, 6. 3 and 6, you are there. 3 and 6, you are there. B. Chakraborty.
AG. AG, my lord, respondent number 5.
RK Talukdar name may be recorded for each.
For respond number 5. Right. Accountant General. Accountant General, I think finance department can appear. What?
No. Separate.
So GA. GA.
GA.
No. They separate standing council. RK Talukdar name may be recorded.
Okay. And then only we are left with 7, 8, and 12. So,
with the director of audit.
so 12 you are appearing. 12, Mr. Padgiri, you are appearing.
I am appearing.
So we are left with only 7 and 8. Director of audit, who will appear? An assistant director of audit. So otherwise all respondents are appearing.
In the column of admission, madam.
So no issue as regards service of notice. So you will file affidavit? The respondents would like to file affidavit, I think. What?
Mr.
Padgiri, you will file?
No, my lord.
No. And then Ms. Das?
Secondary education.
Secondary education, yes.
Or you will have to bring instructions?
I would like to file our affidavit.
Okay, heard Mr.
Hussain.
A. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. And the learned counsels appearing for the respondents. Ms. P. Das, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 1, 4, 9, and 10. Submits that she requires some time to file her counter affidavit. And has prayed for some time. Prayer is allowed. The other respondents are also given liberty to file their counter affidavits if required. List this matter again on when? When can you file?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. So let the matter be listed again on 2nd of June, 2026.
Obliged.
Finish?
That is a Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I did commission item number 2.
Item number 2, nobody appeared or what?
Lordship, I was in like another court.
Huh?
I was in like another court, Lordship. So I did-
Acha, none appears I did, right? So, okay.
First, I was set to adjournment, but we were about to seek adjournment.
I cannot hear you. Please switch on the mic.
With the consent from the other council respondent of party, we were about to seek adjournment, but I was in like in another court and I could not get here on time.
Acha, who had prayed for adjournment? Who was supposed to pray for?
I was supposed to pray for adjournment.
Acha, you were supposed to pray, but then you were in some other courts.
Yes, Lord.
So you couldn't appear in time.
Yes,
Okay, Tita, likhi diba hetu. Oh, whoever is there, heard, Miss
HK Sumi, Lordship.
HK Sumi on behalf of petitioner is present. Rest of the order will be there.
Okay.
And I fixed a date. Come on that day.
Okay, Lord. Obliged, Lordship.
Or Kobe, she has prayed for time. None appears will not prayed for time.
Lordship, we have taken concern from the respondent that it was seek adjournment. And they have gave concern also.
Okay. But then they did not appear when the matter was called up. So I have said the Advocate General to take action. Okay. Yes. Chalo.